As winter chill slowly faded away, our bulbs that we buried in the soil with so much anticipation started coming to life. We planted these bulbs with hope, but also with a bit of uncertainty. As beginners, we weren't sure what would come in the spring or how to tell a weed from a plant. When the first green shoots appeared, we were overjoyed. But there was a lot of confusion. We couldn't tell which plants were flowers and which were weeds. As novices, we had no idea what was a weed and what was a flower. So we just left it all alone. Turns out, we grew more than just flowers this season. Despite the weeds and all our doubts, the flowers bloomed beautifully. It's a reminder that sometimes things grow even when you don't have all the answers. Gardening, like crafting, takes time and patience. We may not have weeded perfectly or known what we were doing at first, but the beauty is in the journey and the growth that happens along the way. Turns out, gardening isn't just about the perfect plan. But you know what? I kind of love it this way. We're learning as we go. There's a certain charm to a garden that's just a little wild. With summer right around the corner, I'm starting to dream up a wildflower garden full of color and life. I'm sorting through the seeds, planning for a space where nature can truly take its course. These tiny seeds will blossom into flowers, opening the door to a garden that will invite the bees, butterflies, and a little bit of wild beauty. I can already picture it, a burst of color in the summer sun. If you're as excited for summer as I am, stick around. Together, let's plan, plant, and watch this wildflower dream come to life. If you'd like to see how this wildflower vision grows, make sure to subscribe and join me in creating the space one small step at a time. Thank you. Take care. Until next time. Bye.